Pastor Daron, I really like to eat my fruit.
You like to eat your fruit?
Yes. Now, is there any basic fruit that you can make out of balloons?
Oh, I can make some basic fruit. Got a red 360 balloon.
Yeah, a red 360
I'm going to cut it like I did
before.
before.
Yeah.
And take again the bottom section of the balloon.
Mm-hmm. And blow it up.
Just one pump.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm just going to do a tulip twist. I'm going to take the knotted end, poke it through, grab it at the bottom, pull my finger out, twist, push the knotted end back in, shape my apple, and there is an apple.
Now, that's a really good apple.
Apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Does he?
Oh, well, I think so. Makes you healthy. Hold that one.
Okay.
Here's one I made earlier. That's an orange.
Yeah, that's pretty good orange.
You like that?
So you can make an orange out of an orange balloon, an apple out of a red one.
That's right.
Yeah, that's good. What else can you make?